What's going on, YouTube? Listen, I got to share some very important news with you guys that I'm sure you've heard of. I take this very seriously. Who are you in your job? Actually, let me ask you a better question. What role do you play in the job that you currently have right now? Does your family depend on you for support, finances? Like where are you currently? I'm going to ask these questions for a reason. I'm going to come to it in a second. It's very, very important I'm asking this, and the reason why I'm asking it. You may be in danger. And I'm going to tell you why. 24 states just had an increase, significant increase in COVID cases. Why this can put you in danger is because you better take action now. When I come to you and I tell you that something as serious as us going back into quarantine again and you not being prepared, your family not being prepared, we are looking at a second quarantine. Listen to what I'm telling you. I came out originally and said there was going to be a quarantine, and now they're talking about doing it again because there's too many people hanging out at bars, too close to contact, and the spikes are going crazy. Listen, if they do a second quarantine and you are not prepared financially and you're not prepared with your credit, who are you going to be on the outside of this one? If the first one wasn't bad enough. So forget all that PPP and that IDL and all that support and all that financial support. They're not going to open up the floodgates again financially. So what do you need to do today? How does your family need to survive? How are you going to survive financially? What would it be like to have a $10,000 credit card or a loan for $20,000, $30,000 that you can depend on so you can protect your family for a month or two or a couple months if we had to go back and do a second quarantine? I constantly want to push this down your throat, but today I'm getting serious about it. I'm trying to be Uncle Mike, and I'm trying to be the guy that says, look, I care about you guys. I love you guys, and I want to help you, but you've got to take action today. If we go into a second quarantine, how prepared are you? What does your credit score look like? If your credit score right now is under 740, you need to take action immediately and start getting the help you need. I want to be the one to help you. I've helped over 50,000 people literally in the last couple months since the first COVID back in February came out. So what does it take for me to get your attention to say, guess what, guys? It's time to move. It's time to take action on your credit and your finances. Here's what I'm going to tell you. You need to pick up the phone and you need to call me. Let me help you so that your family does not go through what you guys just went through. Everybody got dumped on their haircut from this last one. So call me. Let's do an analysis. Let's check out what your credit score looks like. Let's find out what's on your credit report. And then let us make a decision saying, hey, this is what you need. Hey, I think you're good with the high school. Hey, the associates is what you need. Maybe you need the bachelor's. Okay, we got different programs for different levels depending on how bad your situation is. Okay, let me work with you. Okay, let me work with you financially. Let me work with you to help you so that way you are prepared for this next. Because if it happens and you're not prepared and you don't take action today, you're going to be in a lot worse situation, and I mean danger, without any government help and assistance if they don't open up PPP or IDL or any of these other government programs, which more than likely they're talking about not. Call me, please. I implore you to call me to get the help you need. If your credit score is under 740 right now, give me a call so we can take a look, see what's going on, and then we can ask you a few questions. It only takes a 30-second call for me to figure out what's going on and how we can move you to the next stage so you're prepared. So if a month from now you guys are out of work, you can rely on something financially. All right? Give me a call, 904-420-7772. I'm here to help you. That is my mission, to help 1,000 families a day. And my ultimate goal is 100,000 families a month. And my ultimate goal is to change the national credit average and to help millions of people across the world. Okay? 904-420-7772. Call me now so you don't get put in a position where you can't protect your family. I'll talk to you guys in a few. Mike from The Credit Game. Give me a thumbs up. Share with anybody that could use this help. I'm willing to help you right now. Call me right now. Bye.